Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. And this video is, seriously, what do those buttons do? And so let's look. Let's see what these buttons do. So this one, most people knows what this one does. And it's the one that brews the coffee. So it makes the pump run and opens the solenoid valve behind the wall here, and then it lets the pump run, and then when you turn it off, it actually opens the solenoid valve and allows the pressure to release in the drip tray. So we run it again. There's not much pressure, but you saw a little bit come out there. Not much pressure because we don't have any coffee in the machine, but when the pressure builds up because of coffee, if that solenoid valve didn't release, you'd get what you call a sneeze when you open up the portafilter, the part that holds the coffee, and that coffee would sneeze all over you, which would not be good. Okay, next button. Okay, this button is for hot water, and it does not open. It runs the pump and is filling the boiler with water, but it doesn't open the solenoid valve or close the solenoid valve to allow water to come out of here. But if you open the steam, you'll see that hot water comes out of here, and you can use this for making an Americano or tea. And then finally, the machine is currently in its low setting, so that means that it's on the low temperature setting. And in order to switch thermostats and put it in the high temperature setting for steam, you press the steam button and then wait for the light to go off. And of course, this knob is used for steaming. Oh, you open it up to steam, and that's a video on the buttons on the Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. Thank you for watching.